In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a thank you page in WordPress. Whether you're running an online store or a blog, a thank you page is a fantastic way to engage with your visitors after they complete an action on your site, such as making a purchase or signing up for a newsletter. Let's dive right in. First, let's start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. This is your central hub for managing everything on your website. If you've never logged in before, simply enter your website's URL, followed by wp-admin in your web browser, and use your admin credentials. Once you're inside the dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and click on Pages. Next, click on the Add New button at the top to create a fresh page. This will bring you to the editor where we'll start crafting our thank you page. Begin by setting an appropriate title for your page. Something like "Thank you" or "We appreciate you" can work well. This title will appear at the top of your page and should convey a sense of gratitude. Now, this is the perfect time to add your message. Consider what you'd like to say to express your gratitude. A simple "thank you for your purchase. We hope you enjoy your product" can suffice, but feel free to personalize it based on your brand voice and the action they completed. Make sure this message is friendly, warm, and comes across as genuine. After that, consider integrating some practical elements. You might want to include a recap of the purchase details, offer a discount code for future purchases, or even suggest related products. These additional touches can enhance customer satisfaction and encourage repeat business. Next, let's discuss the overall design of your page. Look for options to style your thank you page. Most WordPress themes and page builders give you a variety of customization tools. You can change the fonts, colors, and layout to match your brand's aesthetic. Adding a friendly image or your logo can provide a comforting familiarity for repeat customers. Once you're satisfied with the content and design, it's crucial to ensure everything works smoothly across different devices. Use the preview feature to see how your page looks on both desktop and mobile screens. This step is vital since many users access websites on their phones. Before we wrap up, the last step is to publish your page. Simply click the Publish button, and your thank you page will be live on your site. Be sure to update any forms or checkout paths on your site to redirect users to this thank you page upon completing their actions. And there you go! You've just created a thank you page in WordPress. This simple, yet powerful tool will help you build stronger relationships with your audience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more WordPress tips. Thanks for watching, and have a great day!